can. So you can use, you can cite it as a chapter in a book. The name of the book is right here, Happiness: Unlocking the Mysteries of Psychological Wealth, and Wiley is the publisher, and the year is 2008, and these guys are the authors. And oh, sorry, I didn't mean to go there. To so the easiest way I think to find out how to cite it as a book is, now I'm telling students to use this library resource. So you go to library, you go to research help, and this goes for all your college classes at MJC. I would use this from now on. And then you go to learn to cite, and then you go down to MLA style, and then so you use this core list here. Where is it? This core list. So these are all the elements to include, and you can just put this, maybe screenshot this into a document and just put that somewhere where you have access to it, because I feel like this is really all you need is this list. So no matter what kind of source, author goes first, then the title of the source goes next. That would be the chapter title. Then the title of the container, that would be the book title. Then you don't have these things. The publisher, Wiley, publication date 2008. Location, you may have to look that one up and see where, but if you can't find it, then you leave it off. And then here, if you want to look here for models, oh no wait, that's not the one, sorry, it's the next one down. Sorry, I've got a little monkey chattering over here. The examples one, and this one you can download. An entire print book, a chapter. Look, it's the second one, a chapter from a print book. And so it would look just like this. This can be your model. Oh, you might not have page numbers, right? And if you don't, whatever you don't have, you just don't include. Yeah, you don't have page numbers, because this must have been a PDF originally. Anyway, that's the deal.